people that have been wondering how I use my phone to upload my videos on YouTube. So after I'm done recording. So I need to go to my YouTube account. So let me close this up. So I come to the plus sign here, this plus sign here, and I click on upload a video. Once I click on that, then I'll select the right video. This is the recent video I just uploaded. Hello, welcome back to my channel. So this video I want to upload, and if it's the correct one, you can toggle this on to edit it into short. That's 60 seconds, but that's not what I want to do. I want to upload the whole video. So let me toggle it off and then click on next on the top right corner. Next. Okay, so it will be uploading the video, so I just need to add the title of the video here. So I've already typed out the title. The video is all about how to add fund to your prepaid ad account from Ads Manager. So you can click on description, so you can add a short description. So here's my description. So don't leave the description vacant. So another thing I always do is I try to add a timestamp. So I put timestamp there, then I put 0.00. So it will tag the first part as introduction. So let's say maybe at 1 minute 5 seconds, at 1 minute point, let's say 30 seconds, that point downloading let me say how to download Meta Ads Manager. So this thing, you have to be sure of the exact time, so you have to watch the video on another device or something to be able to set it up, or you set it up later after you're done uploading, so you can do the others. So contact me, so I always add a contact. So most people have a template, so it's always good to have a template already, so you just copy and paste. So I'm just creating this from scratch for you so that I can have access to it. So I always want people to chat me up on WhatsApp, because my YouTube has been a very good source of getting people into my WhatsApp, and to help boost my WhatsApp as well and put my customer base. So once you are done, you don't have to click on anything, just go back. It's already there. So come to visibility, click on public. So you can decide to set as premier. If you set as premier, instant premier, then immediately it will start counting down. It will take like 2 seconds to 2 minutes or to 5 minutes to count down. When it's done counting down, then it will publish the video and people will be watching it at real time. They can add their comment as the video is playing. But if you want it to be unlisted, then it will not be showing to anyone. Only people, it not be showing to the public. Only people that can see it, people that you send the link to. If you want it to be private, this private will be that only people you choose can view the video. You understand? You have to select the people that will view the video. The other option, which is schedule, is this schedule allows you to select a particular time whereby this video will go live or we go public. And if you add the set premiere option, so it will premiere that video up. It will be as if it's a live video. You understand? So that is it. So meanwhile, what the option I want is the public option. I want it to be public immediately. So I don't need to set instant premiere. So I want it to be public, just go live immediately without premiering it. Okay. So the location, always fill all everything. Make sure everything is filled. That's one of the secrets of getting a viral video. Make sure everything is filled. So playlist, make sure your videos are in a playlist, so that when people are watching some particular video, it can help them or guide them through all the videos on your channel. But actually, if you are making a video concerning a particular topic, can guide them all through. So all my Facebook videos, ad videos, are always in this particular playlist. Click on done, and that's all here. So you click on next on the top right corner. Next. So is the video made for kid? No, this particular video is not made for kid. If you have age restriction you want to add, you can do that here. Select if it's for 18 or something, whatever the case is. So if you are done and you're sure that everything you've done is that it's okay, can click on the upload button, and you come to your library on the um, left hand corner below. You can see that the video is uploading. So this is the video. Your video is uploading. So if I click on it, you see the video is still uploading. So once it's 100%, then I'll have a link available for me to share with my contacts to watch the video, and the video will be live to every of my subscribers that have subscribed to my channel, and those that have clicked on the notification bell, they will get to see the video. Meanwhile, let's say you have made a mistake and the video is already uploaded and you want to correct it. So you go and make sure you download the YouTube Studio app. YouTube Studio app is very important. It's one of the places where you can edit content. Now, don't forget that all through the process of uploading this video, I was not able to add my thumbnail. You understand? Let's say I have a thumbnail I've created. I was not able to add the thumbnail. You understand? So let me walk you through how you can do that, how to upload your thumbnail. So you come, just like I said, you come to the YouTube Studio. So in the YouTube Studio now, I can add my thumbnail. So all I need to do is to come to the video, select the particular video. But as the video is uploading, let me just use this opportunity to teach you, for those of you that don't know how to create a thumbnail and everything. So let me just use this opportunity to show you. I think this video will be more comprehensive that way, so that it will cover everything you need for your videos. So let me go to Canva. I have a pro account. So if you need a Canva pro account for just at a very cheap and ridiculous price, just send a DM to me. I'll connect you with the right source and you have access to your Canva Pro account. So let me open my Canva up now so that I can show you how you can create a thumbnail in just 2 minutes, in less than 2 minutes. You'll see it won't take more than 2 minutes. I'm having network issue. Let me open it up. So here's my Canva. My Canva is ready. So all I need to do right now is to come to the search button and search for YouTube thumbnail. Okay, and search for it. So it's going to bring up different templates that are already in existence. So here are the different thumbnails I have. So all I just need to do is to select the thumbnail that's okay for me, that I like. So you can select theme based on theme. That's just the beauty of this Canva Pro. It makes life easy for you. It makes life very, very, very easy for you. Let me select this. I think let me use something like this. So you click on it and it's going to load up. So here's the video. So all I need to do is to edit the content. So here is how to add fonts to your. So let me expand this so that to continue. Zoom out. Expand this to your Facebook. It should be together. Facebook Ads Manager. So let me expand this so that to. Okay, so let me expand this. I want it to contain. Oh no. Okay. Okay, I think I'm there. So just drag this. Okay. So anything I don't need, I can delete. So you can leave that subscribe. I don't have problem with that. So that's all. I think I'm good. If you don't want this image, you can change the image. You can click on the replace button and select another image, and you're good to go. But I'm okay with the image. How to add font to your Facebook Ads Manager prepaid account. So let's say I want to add more text, prepaid account. But the network is quite slow. So if I want to make any edit, I'll make it later. So all you need to do is click on the download button up, and then you're done. In just less than 2 minutes, I'm done creating my design. So now let's go back. By the time this is loading, let's go back and check if our if the video is done uploading, so that we can upload or add this. So it's done downloading. So let's go to our YouTube Studio, normal YouTube. Maybe the video is done uploading. So don't mind, I'm doing so many things. So the video is live, no view. The video is live. Somebody has given the video a thumbs up. Wow, that's cool. But no view anyways. But so let me go back to the YouTube studio. So that's where we're going to be adding. So this is the video. So let's refresh this. I think it's refreshed already. It's refreshed. So how to add fund to your prepaid account. So this is the video. Let me go back so that I see what I did. So I click on the video. I click on this pencil sign. That's to show the edit option. This pencil sign up there. I can change the title. I can edit the title. I can add something to it. So let me add something to it. So in 2 minutes or in 5 minutes, so whatever I do will be added. So if I want to add the thumbnail, I'll click on this pencil sign again. Then it will ask me custom. What do I want to do? So I want to do custom thumbnail. I click on custom thumbnail. So since I've downloaded the one I just created, so all I will have to do is this is the first one. Select it. If that's it, click on done, and voila, you have your thumbnail set. So you see that the changes I've made so far is everything is still there. So I click on save. Now if I go back to YouTube, now, since everything is saved, I have to come back. Let me come back. I have to refresh this before it will show. You see that it's there. So if I go back to YouTube, this is the video. If I refresh this now, my thumbnail will be live. So it is as easy as this. So this is how I create my content on YouTube to get the normal traction. Get this one is 608 views. I have videos that have done 21,000 over 21,000 views in the space of a year. And also just with time, sometimes your videos might not pick up immediately. This one has done 8.9k views. So depending on when you are making your post and depending on how your audience are interacting with your post, it will determine if the post will get the normal traction it should get. So but with time and consistency, you would keep getting. This one has done 33,000. So in that order, so now I've done 1.5. So in that order, you can keep building your YouTube channel. So I'm just making this video to show you a step-by-step process. So if you love this video, let me know. And if you need help setting up your YouTube channel, kindly send me a DM and make sure you subscribe to this channel. Is that taken? All right, thank you. I really appreciate your liking this video and your subscribing to this channel. Thank you very much.